Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to set the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and find this eye care option and tap on the switcher to immediately turn on the feature. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. Of course, you can customize this option. Just tap on eye care, and here we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. You can also custom the schedule, so you can freely choose the start and the end time just by swiping, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So that was the customization of the eye care, and of course, if you want to, you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar. Alright. Let's unroll it. Alright. Let's unroll it fully. Here we've got it, and now let's localize the eye care. It is right here, so let's tap on it, and now it will be applied. Of course, you can tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.